Want to know how to create projects in Google AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is simply open up your favorite browser and type in studio.google.com. Now, this will open up your Google AI Studio, and once you're there, right here on the left side, you can see various interfaces. So there should be chats, streams, and much more. Now, since you want to open up a new project, just simply select build right here. Now we will be building an application with a new project. Now for that, just simply select start from template, and once you're there, here you can see various options where you can start off from. Maybe an empty app, prompts, lives, streaming, and much more. I'll just select prompt for now. Now as you can see, your new project has been successfully been created. Now you just simply edit it out by selecting this code right here. So right here you can see the prompt has also been created. Now here you can also see code assistant that will help you further. Now in order to save it, you can just simply select save on Google Drive right here. Just simply choose up your account and then it will be successfully saved. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.